Hi guys, my name is Vignesh. I'm doing my engineering. I'm currently doing my third year, Dayanand Saga, Bangalore. I had plans of doing my MS in US or Canada, and I wanted to prepare for GRE, and I heard a lot of places where I can get a proper tutoring for GRE, and Princeton Review is one of the site which was more suited to my needs. I didn't want the GRE tutoring to be against many other activities of mine. So Princeton Review offered me a vacation batch where the whole course gets completed in about 1.5 months. It's about 3 hour batch. My verbal teacher was Dolly Sharma, who took the class very well. It was a 3 hour class, but then you never know how the time flies in her class. She's very encouraging, and the way she teaches, it's not just like a teaching experience, it's a complete learning. The class was very interactive, and the words, what all you need to learn, all the material, whatever they gave, it's quite a lot. And these materials sufficient for you to score or secure a good marks in your GRE test. And once it comes to mathematics or quants, Asha Rao was my teacher. And generally, math, what everyone thinks is that it's just mathematics, what all you know. Well, it is what all you know, but the way you have to solve is different. The formulas you use are the formulas you know, but then in GRE it's about time, and in order to solve it fast, Princeton Review gives you a good method in which you can solve the sums faster, and the logic and the brush up of everything whatever you do. It's a complete package, and even there are a lot of materials what they provide so that you go back home and brush up whatever you have done. So everyday class you go home, brush up with number of drills whatever is there on the online portal which is provided by them. And once the course gets over, once you have a month break before your GRE, there are a number of drills and core tests where you can which you can take and see how your preparations are going on, the marks whatever you score. The test, core test, it's basically similar to the one what your actual GRE test is, where you sit for 4 hours and do it. Well, a complete briefing of how you have to take it, the basic right from scratch paper to everything is taught by Princeton Review. I'm pretty satisfied with Princeton, and I am proudly recommended to everyone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hi, this is Kaushik Venkateshan. I'm an engineering student right now in my third year of engineering, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore. Recently I decided to do my further studies in the USA, and when I got to know that GRE is the key for doing MS in USA, I decided to take up a GRE coaching. And once I spoke to many people, I got to know Princeton is one of the best among them, among all the coaching classes. So I decided to join Princeton, where they had comfortable coaching class, I mean timings and batches. I took up the vacation batch between my 5th and 6th semester. Vacation batch were really cool actually, and the teachers like kept us occupied for all the 3 hours, and it was very entertaining. It was not like our other courses, other academic courses or something, and I think I got a really good score. Like, that's what people tell. I got a score of 300 in GRE and 4 in my analytical writing. The teachers who helped me out were Sonal Kochar, who handled verbal in my batch, and Lavanya Sharaf, who took quant. Coming to Sonal Kochar, she was very interactive, very supportive in all the aspects, from the orientation class to the last class. She helped us out very well in all the aspects you can ever think of. Not only related to verbal and related to all the other GRE procedures, filling up the exam, taking up the exam, filing for exam, etc. etc. So Lavanya Sharaf helped us all to know and learn all the shortcuts possible in GRE mathematics. And coming to the staff of the Malleshwaram branch where I took up my course, Ashita was my counselor who helped me out in all the ways. She briefed me through all the procedures and the exams and the SOPs, LORs related to the admission of MS in USA. And she also helped me out, like she gave me a very comfortable vacation batch and etc. etc. And coming to the materials and the student portal provided by Princeton, that is the best you can ever find. because the materials included all the topics and all the examples, all the previously asked GRE questions, etc. Student portal contained some 100 drills with math and more than 50 drills related to uh, verbal. So those 150 plus drills will cover up everything possible related to GRE, and the core tests which were in the student portal exactly resembled the main test of GRE, and I'm extremely satisfied with Princeton. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sakshi. I'm a BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from NIT Trichy. I've been working with Oracle India Private Limited for the past 1.5 years, and I joined Princeton Review in January last year. My batch size was only 15, which is actually a very small number for any batch, so the individual attention given to each student was actually a lot of time. So our teachers focused a lot on us, and now I'd like to talk about the trainers which were assigned to us. My quants trainer was Harsha. He had a very systematic approach towards training us. He taught all the concepts and then he gave us all the questions, and he also stressed on the fact that we are supposed to finish all our homework questions, which actually covered most of the questions in the official guide. And actually he also he made it a point to discuss all the questions after giving all the assignments. Like the next class he would discuss all the answers, so that even the people who haven't done the assignment, they would benefit from that. So he was also available all the time for doubts clarification, which was a very good thing. And he would also give us all the extra questions for preparation and all that once we're done with the normal questions. Then our verbal trainer was Vikram. He wasn't like any normal English teacher. He made the class very interesting and interactive. So at the end, the result of which was that we understood and grasped the concepts really well. So after attending all the Princeton Review sessions, my score was 680. So earlier when I had taken the diagnostic, it was only 540. So that was the difference it made to my score. But the real push to my score, which made it go above 700, was because of Merrily. She refined my approach in verbal reasoning, and she really helped me fine-tune the concepts in verbal. So I would really like to thank all these trainers, because of whom my score is what it is right now. So thanks a lot.
My name is Sohail. I'm a BTech graduate. I work with Happiest Mind Technologies as a cloud solution architect. Princeton was recommended me by one of my colleague, I'm here to do my IELTS, IELTS, and Princeton was very successful in terms of helping me achieve what I was looking for. I closely work with Sheetal, who is my IELTS trainer, who helped me meet and exceed my expectations, and I was managed to score 7 in the overall score, and that in turn helped me to score 5 points on my immigration, which I'm looking for Australia, and I'm hoping forward that Princeton would help a lot of students in future in various courses what they have to offer in way of achieving what they're looking at. So all I can say is Princeton, good luck in the team. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Nikhil. I finished my graduation in 2012 and I decided to complete my masters. For that I joined Princeton Review's GRE course. Both the verbal and quant section was really helpful. Both my trainers, Kavya ma'am and Raghu sir, were really helpful. Their techniques, tips was excellent. It actually helps you understand the tips better, understand the type of questions that will come to you, and you won't forget actually what you need to be doing during the exams. I would recommend this to anyone. Please, you can actually come to this course. You can give your mock test. You'll actually get to know how your scores are improving. It'll be a good reference, and you can actually score better in the final exams. Thank you.